One more burp. Why do you find burps so excuse me, funny is what I meant to say. Funny. Never-ending burp. Well, it will end, I mean.
Hey, Bobby. Listen, white boy. You burp? Yeah. God bless you, man. Oh. That one kind of hurt a little bit.